Check this door out, guys. So this is a pair of doors that a customer sent us for us to work on them and basically make them like new. The insert was broken out. There was a weird little shape that was completely missing out, and we had to rebuild all of this area. New perforated vinyl, a brand new window switch cover, which we sell on our website. Everything was refinished. We did brand new armrests. There was a crack here in the pocket. This piece here was broken off. Fortunately, the customer sent it with his panel, so we were able to reattach it. And we retextured in the repair area to help make that spot as unnoticeable as possible. We did new carpet. We did new brushing in the handle hole here. The coloring, we custom matched it and custom mixed it in-house like always. It is not like rattle cans. It's not going to chip. It's not going to peel, crack, or wipe off with chemicals. And it looks and feels completely natural as well. Like always, everything came off on this door. We took the back of the pocket out. That came off. That came off. Carpet, of course. The inserts and the trim like we talked about. There was some breaks in here also that we took care of. We have new speaker cloth, and it's behind the vent as well, with all new padding. We fixed that guy up there. My finger's focusing. But that last little section was broken off, so we took care of that. That area was all broke out, so we plastic welded that all back in and reinforced it with structural epoxy. We also plated the inside of this once all the repairs were done. We plastic weld everything. We also use hot staples, and we just epoxied on some new plastic plates that we bent to shape, just for extra, because this is so big and we had to do so many repairs. Why not just go ahead and plate it to help eliminate a bigger risk of future damages for the customer? But we hope he's happy with them. There was a pair. We have the other one right here. These came out beautiful. I am personally not a red interior guy. I would not want it in my vehicle, but we can always appreciate how good their parts look when they're done. But we offer interior repair. It doesn't matter what the vehicle is. It's any year, any make, any model vehicle, from the roof to the floor. We do things like plastic repair and fabrication, upholstery, premium coloring, hydrographics, custom iPad dashes, and a lot more. Definitely check us out on our website. You can go to obsinteriors.com or cardesigns.co. But we're going to get these packed up and sent back to the customer.